Good day, Pinoy Clixers and Mixers. Welcome back to the channel. And we are going to look at the humble Hellfire Club Guard. Let's go! Okay, so we have here another unboxing video for Marvel Legends series, specifically the Hellfire Club Guard. Okay. So you can see here that compared to other Marvel Legends boxes, this one is a bit smaller. Okay, so it's just a sealed box. Okay, and I got this from Toy Kingdom for 999.75 pesos. Okay, so that's less than 1,000. So it's cheap, I guess. So you can see here some of the art for Hellfire Guard. And then at the back, there's no description, but just a label that it's the Hellfire Club Guard, Watcher, Guardian, Garda. Okay, so, and I guess it's fair for this to have this particular treatment because as we know, the Hellfire Guards are various names because these are generic lackeys and goons, mercenaries for the Hellfire Club. Okay, but before we unbox this one, let's take time to take a look at some Heroclix figures in relation to the Hellfire Guard. Okay, there are three times in Heroclix history that the Hellfire Guard has been made into Clix form. The first ones are Golden Age figures. So I have here the veteran Hellfire Guard from the Ultimate set. Okay, so set number 6 for 17 points. And you can see the stats are 7, 9, 14, and 2 damage with energy explosion. Okay, so this is uncarded figure. Okay, and then we also have a limited edition Wade Cole that utilized the same sculpt. Set number 202 from the Ultimate set. It's a bit more powerful because it has stealth and range combat expert and 2 targets with that range of 6. So as I said, there are various people that can be Hellfire Club guards because these are generic figures, but Wade Cole specifically is a mercenary for the Hellfire Club. Got a bit of a fight with Wolverine, which of course will not end well for him. Okay, and historically Wade Cole also became a Reaver, but that also did not work out. So I'm not so updated with his status currently in the comics, but Wade Cole is one of the named Hellfire Club guard. So the next time we saw the Hellfire clubs was in the giant size X-Men set. Okay, you can see the color scheme is a bit different now with blue and red, but they are still wearing the trademark mask and carrying the trademark carbine. Okay, so let's take a look. This is a carded figure. Hellfire Club Guard has the keyword Hellfire and a special damage power minion. True pawns. If a friendly character of a higher point value with the Hellfire Club keyword is within 8 squares, that character can use Mastermind if they can't already, but only to deal damage to characters with the Hellfire Club keyword. So they can be masterminded too. So point value 37, Set number 4, real name is Varius, as I said. And let's take a quick look at the background. The Hellfire Club's inner circle comprises some of the most powerful individuals on Earth, scheming to change the world according to their design. Such a select set of wealthy, influential, and superpowered individuals naturally employs staff and guards to manage and protect their nefarious machinations. The Hellfire Club guards, even though they're well armed, prove less than effective when dealing with heroes like the X-Men, as Wolverine's adamantium claws can attest. Yeah. So the guards are just fodder for Wolverine. Okay. So 37 points for that particular figure. And we also recently had seen Hellfire Club guards return, okay, in modern during the Rise and Fall set. Okay, so comparing it, okay, so color scheme is the same, carrying a smaller machine gun, okay, and this one seems to be radioing someone. Let's put them all here. And let's take a look at the dial and the card for the modern Hellfire Club card. Okay, from the Rise and Fall set, set number 6, keywords, Hellfire Club and Soldier, various real names, one trait, which is we have names, you know, adjacent friendly characters with the Hellfire Club keyword can use Mastermind, but only to choose Hellfire Club card. So that's very similar to the GSX power earlier. And then he has a special movement, which is Demonic Transformation, Flight, Charge, Flurry. So for those of you who are not familiar with the combo of Hellfire Club Guard, this figure works best with Blackheart, okay, as a father to Blackheart, and at the same time, Blackheart converts the Hellfire Guards into demons. So that's why you have this click number 9. Okay, so they start off as a running shot piece, 610, penetrating for 2 damage for only for 25 points. And then with Blackheart straight, they can be converted into a demonic close charge flurry Blade's Claw exploit figure. So you can see here that the significant appearance is still the same from the old card. Okay, 1980 Uncanny X-Men number 133. Okay, so those are the Hellfire Club guards we have in Heroclix form. So let's put them on the side and open up our main event, the Hellfire Club guards. For generic figures like this, it's best to collect a lot, okay, for team building and also for display purposes. Okay, but for me, I only get one, okay, because I don't have a lot of shelf space left. So there's really nothing on the box, just a piece of paper. It's a straightforward packaging. And we have here the Hellfire Club guard. Okay, let's open it up. And we can see it comes with a couple of firearms, a handgun and a long firearm. Okay, so joint seems to be tight. Okay. Okay, so good. And let's take a look. This seems to be the closest one. Okay, this one's also close. So let's copy the pose of, I want to copy this one. Okay, so Hellfire guard is standing, head a little tilted, and then hand is raised, carrying the long gun. Okay. Okay, so that is the Hellfire Club Guard, ready to serve the Hellfire inner circle, ready to be disposed for the inner club circle. Okay, henchman true and true. I hope you like this video. Share your thoughts on the comments, like, subscribe if you haven't done so. And until our next video, bye bye!